Cordial greetings, parents and tutor. My name is Maria Jose Loaiza. This group is testing and evaluation in ELT. The number of the group is 12. And today I'm going to talk about my practice in the San Pablo School. Introduction. The course Testing and Evaluation in ELT is part of the Immersion Practice route of the Licenciatura en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. It belongs to the MP2 called Pedagogical and Didactic Strategies with the use of ICT to strengthen teaching in foreign languages. The development of the course Testing and Evaluation in ELT provides students with the didactic and pedagogical elements necessary to advance in this stage of the route of immersion practice. The course is devoted to the review of different kinds of tests used in teaching English as a foreign language. As this is a methodological practice course, its objective is to expose students to the real context. Objectives: to evidence the experiences acquired in the process of the pedagogical practice in the San Pablo School. Number 2, to demonstrate the skills acquired in pedagogical practice. Number 3, to share feelings and emotions that were generated in the process of pedagogical practice. Before talking about my experiences, I will tell a little about the institution. The practice was developed at the San Pablo School in a town called Victoria Caldas, which is rich in cattle serving and agriculture. The school handles the humanist style for its pedagogical approach. The students come from villages like El Llano, Pradera, La Italia, among others. Some children have cognitive disabilities, and many of them come from low-income classes. The school meets all the requirements. There is only one school in the municipality, which is why in 2017 they expanded it, creating more classrooms and larger stands with fans. Furthermore, provides lunch for all children and has a schedule from 7 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. I taught 6th and 7th grades, 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3. There are only 3 6 and 7.1. And there are 2 7ths, but in 7.2 another teacher teaches. One of my experiences I had was creating classes with ICT tools, in this case a video feed, with the slides. In the first things, I want to emphasize that the teacher in charge uses a very traditional methodology. She writes on the board and uses only that tool. However, in my practice, I decided to use the tools provided by the institution, in which I saw many teachers with these devices. I told, obviously, the tutor if it seemed like a good idea to use these tools, and she accepted. In my practices, I began to project videos, put slides, and in the same way, I explained it on the board in more detail. In addition, I began to notice that the students understand much more due to the projections, and they were short videos of 1 minute. They told me that they remember the video and could relate it in class or in their daily lives. The acquired skills. These were really very good with both the students and the teachers. The teachers really liked how I explained in the classes, how the students interact more. I learned to make lesson plans, I learned to distribute the time in class, also to grade and even to deal with disobedient children. The teachers were very kind and good to me, especially at times when I didn't know how to grade or what to do when a child got out of control. Feelings and emotions. Regarding how I felt, I considered that it was a very pleasant experience. The students trusted me to ask questions when they didn't understand. I had many problems with the rude and arrogant students, but I developed skills with them. Additionally, I would like to say that the teacher always helped me. She supported me at all times. She was always present and helped me every day. So I felt very supported and safe when she was there. Although I also had many moments when she felt me alone and I experimented for myself. In conclusion, I had good experiences in my pedagogical practice. I was also able to learn many ways of teaching a class, including various tools, and above all, I made it possible for students to learn about English. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.